I've never seen the apps like this before. In my personal opinion, this is a real banger for 2026, guys. This app can either create a new trend or completely blow up the market, guys.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
What's up, friends? My name is Kyle Maddox and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to take a look at something brand new, guys. The app called Apex just dropped literally yesterday. And today I want to test it with you because my developers, friends from Silicon Valley, sent it to me and they told me like, hey, Kyle, you need to test it. So they create something really unique together with AI, and today I'm going to test it for the very first time. As always, I'm not telling anyone to repeat anything what I do. My video is purely for educational entertainment purpose only, but I do recommend watching this video from very beginning to the end. Alright guys, so if you don't know me yet or you just found this channel, my name is Kyle Maddox and I have my own Telegram channel where I post all the latest information, so you can pause the video right now and find it by its name. And now guys, let's move on the testing this app. This is completely new application and I've never seen this before because looks how they load inside, like wow, it really looks incredible. It's a cool and fresh something. So in today's video I want to do a quick short test one of these modes, so later I will make a full detailed review and guide on this app because the functionality here, guys, is actually huge. So make sure to subscribe on the channel so you don't miss it. Alright, so let's go quickly start the test. And here's, guys, the game. So let me launch it right here. And I just gonna click continue right here. Okay, so as you can see, there are several modes, guys, and I want to test one of them, and so in the future videos I will test the others. So okay, here the setup process. So if you subscribe to my channel, you know I test a lot of different tools, so almost every one of them has some kind of setup. So but the good thing is all that information here is publicly available, so there is nothing private here, and I'm almost finished the settings. Alright, the loading process has started. This is the most interesting part, so I guess gonna sound okay. So this is a basic procedure, so let me quickly complete it. It's not a big deal for me, just give me a few seconds. I'm gonna choose here what I really needed, so this one. Alright, and I just literally gonna I'm gonna copy that information. So okay, all I need just my phone, and here I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna choose this one, I'm gonna paste like that and do this. Okay, so I guess it's gonna be enough for today. And while I'm waiting, guys, the loading, could you answer me, do you like even when I bring something new? Because if yes, drop a like and leave a comment, guys, it really helps me a lot. And yeah, everything has already updated here, so let me, as you can see, yeah, the noti is already came, so I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna close the game and try to reopen it again. So let me check it here. So yeah, it's already on the place. That's a perfect one. So I'm gonna go continue here, and this is the most interesting part, the games, guys. Okay, let's move. Wow, as you can see, it's 97%. This is actually crazy, guys, and I'm really excited to see how it works. Wow, look at that. I really like this. I like the whole thing a lot, so I can't wait to test it. I'm just gonna do a quick preparation here. So let me just go check how it's located. So okay, I got it. There. Yeah, the first one was super clean, guys. Okay, by the way, I want to try another round. Wow, there is so much more here. I just need to make some more adjustments here, and let me check again where everything is located. So the top line is like that, and the bottom I got it. Okay, and the last here. Wow, guys, you can see it all with your own eyes how it works. So let me choose the next step. So I'm gonna literally send everything back because it's the whole point of this video and testing here. So I'm gonna choose this one, and for example I will take like that. So I just need to grab my phone. Okay, all I need just to copy to grab my information there and just to enter it in this field. Okay, and enter. Wow, what I want to say, guys, what I want to say, I just got a moti. That's really awesome. This is really awesome. Let me just close the game. Wow, I still have no words to explain what I'm feeling right now. And what I want to say, guys, I'm literally inspired right now. I've never seen the apps like this before. In my personal opinion, this is a real banger for 2026, guys. This app can either create a new trend or completely blow up the market, guys. Because I test dozens or hundreds of different apps every month, but I've never come across anything like this, guys. I really like how it looks. I'm genuinely happy that I found that waits to me. So I'm gonna check the update here because I think it's enough time has passed. So let me just quickly check here. I'm gonna wait the update. Yeah. Everything is perfect here. So let me just press and check there. As you can see, guys, here everything is already also on a place. That's really fantastic. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more tools like this on the channel, drop a like, subscribe, and leave your comments below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.